Hello guys, it's Henry from IFE. Today I just want to touch on a topic for UK expats. This doesn't apply to the rest of you, so apologies about that. For a lot of UK citizens, they have what is called an ISA. I'm sure you're aware of that, you've seen it, or you may have even heard of it, come across TV, internet, or financial talk. Basically, it's a tax-free savings plan that the government introduced to promote saving tax-free. You can save up to £20,000 a year if you're a young person. You can invest £4,000 and the government give you an extra £1,000 or 20 up to 25% from up to £4,000 on that ISA plan. So a lot of British personnel have asked me, can I invest in my ISA when I live abroad? When I'm a resident somewhere else? They like the idea of investing still in the UK. They don't feel too comfortable investing offshore, and they don't want to kind of dip their toes in to places otherwise. No, you can't. I know people, it is possible, of course. You can use your mum's address or somewhere else's family residence, spouse, someone's address back in the UK, so of course you can do it. Is it legal? No, not if you're a resident outside the UK for work purposes. You're not allowed to do into your ISA. So I just wanted to quickly cover that topic for you guys. That if you are a resident, you cannot technically invest in an ISA outside of the UK. So therefore, what are the options? What does an ISA bring essentially? So many people just think of an ISA as a saving vehicle. You do have that. You also have a stocks and shares ISA that not many people are aware of. And with that, it is tax efficient savings. You can get tax efficient savings in offshore locations such as the Isle of Man, where it's fully protected, higher than the 85k that it is in the UK. It's backed by custodians with a stronger banking system as well. We talked about that in previous blogs, videos about the banking system in the UK, how it ranks quite low, how there's a lot of other better banking systems out there. So that's the option, is you can get tax-free savings if you're a resident elsewhere. The UK government doesn't tax you if you're not a resident on overseas income as yet, not like the American FATCA system. So you do have options elsewhere. I just thought I'd touch on that, guys. Hope you found it useful. Feel free to read a few of my blogs on that. Thanks a lot.